What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the trailer hitch cover from a 2021 Chevy Tahoe. Like I said, this is a 21 Tahoe here, but it would be the same on a few different models. This will basically be the exact same on all the full-size GM SUVs of these years. So as you can see, the tow hitch, trailer hitch has a cover on it. In order to get that off, there's two clips we need to undo on the underside. One right here, and you just want to turn that about a quarter of a turn to your left or counterclockwise. Come over here, do the same thing. Quarter turn counterclockwise. After you loosen those two clips, you can grab a hold of the cover and just kind of pull towards you and up at the same time. What it is there's just these clips that sit in these holes right here. But that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.